What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast.
That's all.
Mario, Nico here. We're gonna talk about the recap of the sweep of Barangay Ginebra on the Meralco
Yeah.
Bolts. It crushed my expectations na
Yeah.
initially sinabi ko na Meralco in 5 pero grabe yung pinakita talaga ng
Ginebra
Ginebra.
intriga.
Naging Ginebra in 3. Ikaw ba Ginebra in 3 ka or
Hindi,
Ginebra in 5 ka?
nag-Ginebra ako in 4, I think, or 5.
Ginebra ka in 4.
Oo.
Pati si Coach Tim sinabi niya sa press con, nagulat siya na he didn't think na masisweep nila yung Meralco. So it's a kudos to
Nobody,
everybody just stepping up.
yeah. I don't think anybody expected it. And uh, I think today we can clearly see na anong magagawa mo pag ang Ginebra, di mo alam sino ang dapat bantayan.
Mm.
'Di ba? Kasi tinan mo, let's look at their stats. This is so balanced, pare. 23 Brownlee, 19 Holt, 19 Aguilar, 17 Abarientos. First, that guy Abarientos is a fucking
Grabe
animal.
si RJ, no? Mag
That
fourth
guy,
quarter
puta,
din eh.
sobrang mamaw ni RJ. Mav had 17, Scotty had 16. What are
Kalat
you
na kalat, wow.
what are you supposed to do if you're Meralco in that scenario? Sige, nalimitahan mo si Brownlee, but did you really? He only shot 13 times. He made it 8 times, dude. Like, it becomes so hard. Parang nagiging sobrang mahirap bantayan yung Hinebra during games like this. Kaya, what in the world can you do, man?
Wala eh. It also doesn't help na Meralco does not have Aaron Black. They do not have Alain
Yeah.
Maliksi. So, pero fans could also argue, wala rin kaming Jamie Malonzo, wala kaming Jeremiah Gray. So,
Yeah.
in a way, both teams are suffering from injury. It's more of sino yung who
Who
maximize
was able to
their
play? Yeah.
roster right now. And that is clearly Barangay Ginebra with their strong guard play, which I
Yeah.
think they will try to utilize more heading into SMB.
Yeah.
Unahan na natin lahat which they're gonna utilize
Oh,
against
ano natin
SMB.
lahat.
So it's SMB is gonna use their size
Yeah.
versus the guard play. So it's a matter of sino makaka-exploit
Totoo.
first or sino mas makaka-sustain ng strengths throughout the series.
Totoo.
Interesting, interesting.
Uh, at the same time, we kept talking about it na Hinebra will have a hard time against the SMB bigs if ever.
Mm.
But we're not gonna. But Meralco speaks. They're a pretty big team also. They have Brandon Bates and they have Allen Durham.
But Bates is offensively
But Bates is
limited.
off. Yun nga, that's what I was
Yun.
gonna go towards.
Mm.
Bates' offensive trouble was super duper seen in this series,
Mm.
and his inability to defend guards was also very evident in this series. This is where you see na last season he had to defend Christian Sanhardinger, a
Oo.
guy who is not necessarily the fastest. He's kind of clunky and only in the paint. When he's forced to guard guards, which he for some reason had to do so much in this series, nahihirapan siya. Kinahain siya ni Abarientos kanina.
Kinahain
Kinahain siya
siya.
ni Brown
Nakita mo
bigla.
yung end one ni Abariento
Yeah,
sa kanya?
yeah,
Sabi ko,
exactly.
kinahain
Doon
din.
pumasok, no, literally, not to be rude, man. Pero
Oo.
kinahain talaga Nils Bates kanina. They have the speed advantage and they
Yun
had
na
the
matchup
quickness
hunt nila eh. Sabi
advantage.
ko, grabe oh, ini-expose si Brandon Bates.
Brandon, yeah. They were absolutely exposing him. That's why maybe he only played 14 minutes. And again, if you're Meralco, you had to run your guys into the fucking ground. Durham only rested for what 20? Sorry, not 20 minutes. For like 8 minutes. Newsom had a lot of rest today. 13 minutes. What are you saving him for? Um,
What are you
Banquero,
actually what are you saving him for?
uh, Banquero only. Sorry, Banquero
Good
only.
question. Oo nga, bakit anong nire-rest nyo?
What are you
This is a do
saving
or die
Chris
game.
Newsom for, man? Okay. To be fair though, today I think he looked a little bit he looked well defended today.
Newsome,
Yeah, I think
bro,
Newsom
because of
looked
the
well
player of the
defended
game, which we're gonna
today.
discuss later.
Yeah, he looked
Stephen
very
Hall was
well.
a beast.
Stephen Holtzman, absolutely. And okay, we talked about Hinebra's depth. Kitang-kita mo na ngayon kung gaano sila ka-depth. Now, wala ka pang ano din ah. Wala ka pang Malonzo, wala ka pang Jeremiah Gray, and you were still able to bring out a lineup and no Isaac Go, sorry.
No,
You,
Isaac Godin pala.
yeah, you were able to bring out how many members is this? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven to eight lineup man rotation, including Joe
Mm.
Devance somehow, some way in the year of 2024. Um,
13 minutes for Joe Devance. Di ko parang ano talaga
and they
eh.
were good
In a way, he
minutes.
was okay. He was
And they
okay.
were good minutes. That's what they were pretty good minutes. He was defending Durham at Durham pretty decent. Anyway, I don't know. Sa series itself, medyo na-confuse ako sa nangyayari.
Mm.
Did you see na at the start of the fourth, I think, at the start of the fourth or start of the third, one of the two, ang
Down ng
bumabantay kay
ano?
Brownlee si Bates, ang bumabantay kay Holt si Durham. I
Yeah,
didn't I
medyo
didn't
weird. Hindi ko alam
understand.
ano
I
hindi
didn't
ko gets
understand
rin
what was
bakit ginawa
why.
yun.
Like why do we think Brandon Bates can defend Justin Brownlee? I don't think anybody thinks that. Um, again, I think it became a matchup. Naging matchup issue na siya for Meralco at this point. Nawala yung Meralco na nakita natin last conference.
Wala rin si Almazan.
Yeah, no
I was trying to,
Raymond.
wala rin Raymond Almazan. And usually dapat Almazan to an extent can try to in a way slow down Brownlee pero binigay kay Bates yung trabaho kasi wala nang ano eh. No, I'm just saying
Hindi rin
Mario na
talaga.
parang sino ba iba bang babato mo? Might as well si Almazan na lang.
I'm surprised. It's supposed to be the Quintos, the Hodges, and the Jansen Rioses. Jansen played honestly pretty okay, considering the minutes he's been getting this. So again, if you're Meralco, you admit na kulang ka nga ng player. Wala kang Maliksi, wala kang Black, wala kang
Oo.
Almazan. Aminin na natin yun, and that's a big loss, especially especially offensively, against the Ginebra team.
Mm,
Pero grabe yung kinayod ni Durham, bro. As in, kailangan
grabe.
ko, I need to genuinely
Respect
full
to Allen
respect to that
Durham.
guy.
38 points, 13
Oo.
rebounds. He still
Alam ko
did
na,
his best.
eh, alam ko medyo inaano ko siya kasi na buzzer beater na naman siya. Pero I mean the game winner na naman siya, pero all three games of the series he played so well.
Mm.
He was attacking the paint, hitting threes, hitting middies, defending well. He tried in all three games. Just so happens that the locals weren't able to keep up. Today you were able to get good games from Quinto and Banquero.
Bong Quinto played
Yeah,
so well, yeah.
you were able to get good games from them. But nawala bigla yung Newsom mo, nawala bigla yung Hadji mo. So the you were still unable to get a full game from your locals, and that's where Ginebra was able to pounce. They got an absolutely complete game from their locals, top to bottom, defensively and offensively.
Ginebra also were the more aggressive team. They had 30 free throw attempts, made 25, while Meralco was 16 for 19. It's those small things no na their guard play really changed the whole complexion. Kasi down entering the fourth quarter, they were down, 'di ba? They were down 6,
Yeah,
7. And they
7.
completely flipped it. I think they had like a quick 7-0 run in the
Yeah,
first
I
two
mean,
minutes.
not 7-0. I forgot what it was. But it
May
wasn't 7-0.
four-pointer, four-pointer
May
ni
4-pointer si
Brownlee, tapos may
Brownlee.
toss 2. O so parang 6-0.
Yeah,
Parang
no,
6.
4-pointer Brownlee, 3-pointer Amnisi, pero may basket yung Meralco in between that.
Pero sobrang
So,
momentum changing ng 4 points.
yeah.
Tapos magte-tres si ano. But yeah,
So,
ganun yung nag-start off yung
sino mo yung
fourth.
Brownlee, ah? Parang wala pang pakipag tumitira siya. Sobrang nano siya nito today, Gagi.
Favorite niya Meralco. Favorite
As
niya.
in, sobrang nonchalant niya maglaro today. Parang naglalaro lang siya sa naglalaro lang siya sa court in the USA. Ganun. He was barely exerted. He wasn't
So
that exerted.
papawis si Brownlee kanina.
Oh. And it is because of yung locals. We have to go through these locals, man. RJ
Go.
Abarian. Pus, ang gala. That guy.
So shifty. Like, yung Mikey Williams. Parang may pagka-shift. Yung shifty-shifty ni Cedric Bearfield din. Ganun
Bro,
siya no? He's so shifty.
sobrang hands down ako kay Abarientos, pare.
Mm.
Bro is so good at basketball. He was hitting threes and the
Pull-ups.
start and the pull up middies, the drives to the rim. Grabe. It was such a good game from Abrientos and Stephen Holt. Yung dalawang yun, sila yung nagsimula ng run for Ginebra to get them back in the game. They were losing by 11 already or 12 at one point. And
Mm-hmm.
Holt and Abarientos were able to get them all the way back into that game with some
Yeah.
grabe yung ginawa nila. Ang at this point, the locals of Ginebra are looking absolutely incredible against for them to go against any team in the future. So I don't really know right now what team is stopping Ginebra when their locals are playing at this level.
Actually, this is what you need to expect from Ginebra if they are going to beat SMB.
Yeah.
Entering that series, we all know na SMB pa rin yung favorites.
Yeah,
but not overwhelming not as overwhelming as we initially thought
yeah,
after this sweep. Kasi nakikita mo na, shit, napakalakas ang guard play nila.
yeah.
Ng perimeter
Eh,
play ng Hinebra. They were not a three-point shooting team before. And then biglang nag-switch to a
yeah.
perimeter-oriented team na
Biglang
bagay na
nung
bagay.
punong dulo ng nung layups, nung fourth quarter na biglang ubusan na nila ng tres yung SMB. Ito
Nagpaulan
na,
Mario ng tres.
nagpaulan
Grabe.
sila. 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
3 and 4. 3 and
Yeah.
4. Shoutout din kay Mav Ahanmisi, bro. Si Mav has been
Mav
getting
hit some big
criticism
shots.
ever since he arrived in Ginebra, pero we gotta give him his
Yeah.
credit in this game. If it's not Holt, it was Mav nung the
Uh,
last 3 minutes
or
making
RJ.
those crucial or RJ. RJ was
Yeah.
start and middle ng fourth. Parang
Yeah.
they took their turns, no? Oh, Mav, ikaw sa dulo. Steven, uh, gitna. RJ,
Yeah.
start off. Parang ganoon eh, no? Ang ganda ng ano nila, the way they complemented each other. And also
Hon-
Scotty, who's
yeah.
doing Scotty Thompson
Scotty.
things.
Yeah. How many assists did Scotty have actually? 3 assists, 4 rebounds.
Three
Not his
lang.
best.
Kasi
That's not his
umiikot
best.
kasi.
But he was making
Equal
the
eh.
big shots. He was making big shots
Equal
for
na yung ikot
Ginebra.
ng ball. Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Like
making some
five,
threes.
ay,
I think he hit the dagger. He hit the dagger.
si Scotty ba yun? Yung
Yeah.
nag-tres?
Hindi. Tas yung offensive rebound tapos
Ah,
fade away. He hit the dagger for the game. For the team. Uh, so yeah, right now Ginebra's looking absolutely good. I was honest to God
walang
when
nakapredict nito. Coach Tip didn't predict it.
yeah,
Masisweep na ni Meralco.
I was gonna say something. What's it called? When they played Von Pesumal kanina, I
7
genuinely thought
minutes.
that they weren't going to win this game. I thought that
Tayo na nito. Okay.
like I don't know if that's a rude thing to say. Kind of is, I guess. But no, I'm not. Don't get me wrong, guys. If Von Pesumal and I have a 3 point contest, siguro talo ako. Like I'm sure talo ako.
Siguro? Siguro? Siguro?
Siguro give me a 0.3% chance of beating him in a 3 point contest. But then, when he played Kanina, I thought Ginebra was a little too confident. I thought that he was
Okay.
a little
Na-feel mo
because that's
yun?
where
Parang ba't?
Meralco
Oo.
doon nagka-momentum yung Meralco eh. And then in
Mm.
the second half, when they decided that, oh wait, I forgot, let's just really play who we actually are supposed to play.
Mm.
And Raymond Aguilar. The Ginebra was able to make the comeback. Meralco was absolutely stifled at that point. And ayun. Uh, my big worry now for teams going up against Ginebra is I don't know the chances of Jamie and Maya coming back this conference or in this playoffs. I don't know if they're coming back. But if there is the off chance that, or Isaac even, or even if there's an off chance that any of them can come back and play, they are sobrang hirap din ang talunin at this point. Grabe yung
Agree, man.
confidence nila eh. Sobrang grabe yung confidence nila. Yung Abarientos, rookie yan ah.
Pero bibigyan natin disclaimer mga tao, guys. Rookie yan na naglaro sa Japan at Korea.
Yeah.
Saan siya nag-Rookie
Nag-MVP.
of the Year?
Nag-MVP siya sa Korea.
Hindi siya MVP. Rookie
Nakita.
of the Year lang. Hindi siya nag-MVP.
Di ba siya nag-MVP doon? Wait lang. Sorry. Sino ba
Rookie of the Year lang. Rookie of the Year lang.
Ay, sorry. Si ano pala,
Ethan
si
Alvano ata yung iniisip mo.
Alvano yung nag-MVP.
Yeah. RJ was B-League Rookie of the Year, I
And
think.
Korea. He was
Korea.
second.
So sa B-League siya nabangko. Kasi nabangko siya in ano eh.
Nabago siya
Yeah.
sa Japan. Nabago siya
Okay,
sa Japan.
baliktad. So Rookie of the Year in Korea, KBL,
Yeah.
then nabangko sa Japan, which is not obviously his
Strange.
fault. It's the team how he's being used, how our
Yeah.
Filipino imports are being used. Great job
Yeah.
going home,
Can
man.
we name can we name a single Japan import except Dwight? Ay, si 30. Kiefer.
Thirdy. Matthew
Actually, ang dami
Wright.
pala.
Madami.
Ang dami pala.
Matthew Wright.
Kiefer. I haven't kept up with Matthew, so I wouldn't.
Oh, wait. Matthew Wright is still it's captain pa si
30,
Dwight sa ano.
30 Kiefer and si the
AJ
bro
Edu is
and
still with
Edu,
ano.
yeah. Kai, yeah.
Kai,
Actually,
yeah,
marami
Kai
na pala.
also. Daming
Yeah, I
Japan.
was just more surprised na hindi nila masyado. Kasi may time na hindi ginagamit yung mga Japan all-stars natin eh.
Pero
Carl
gamit na nga lahat
Tamayo,
ngayon.
didn't get
Carl's being
minutes.
used in Korea right
Korea,
now.
yes.
Mm.
Carl Tamayo didn't get minutes. Javi Gomez didn't get minutes. Balti, did Balti ever go?
No, di ba yung kay-issue nga parang yung kay
Korea
Balti
yun, di ba? Anyway.
kay Balti, nakalimutan ko na. Basta yung kay Balti parang na homesick din siya, di ba at one point. Tapos dapat babalik siya. But contract negotiations fell through or
Yeah.
stuff na we don't wanna talk. we don't want to discuss kasi we
Yeah.
don't know the full
Long story.
story.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
talking about Hinebra Meralco here. Anything
Ayun.
about the series that something stuck that stood out? I mean for Hinebra it's just the locals coming up at the right time. We have seen what they looked like from the first day of the season na alam mo yung nagkakapaan talaga na
Yeah.
alam natin na it's gonna
Sobra.
go and then
Oo.
now it just clicked on the in the first season. Di ko in-expect na first season pa lang ganyan na sila gagalaw.
Yeah, I
So,
think we
great
talked
job
about that, diba?
on
Sinabi natin
Ginebra.
sa messenger natin na
Mm.
they don't look good.
No,
We
no, that
said they
was the
didn't
first
look,
week. The
yeah,
first week.
we said they didn't look good at
They
all.
didn't look good at all.
Yeah.
So, ko nangyari.
So, ayun, they're looking so good right now. I think they've all learned what their specific roles are. And quick shout out to Stephen Holt.
Yeah, Stephen Holt, player of the
To
game.
go from a team where you are the number one guy, you are tasked to score the ball and find your players. And now in Ginebra, you're tasked to sometimes you'll get the ball, but your main task right now
Mostly
is to stop
stopper
the
ka eh.
import
Oh,
and the best player of the other team, and you're doing it to an absolutely great level. Sobrang shout out sa kanya. Japet Aguilar is proving people wrong with his age, and people were shitting on that guy. Um,
last conference ba?
Last
Did
conference
they?
when he was struggling and even the conference before because of his struggles with C stand. Maverick and Scotty have been getting shot on since the start of the conference and last conference, and RJ was getting shot on also for being a shot chucker. So now they're all finding their rhythm. They're all confident.
Sino
At
nagki-criticize sa kanila, mga fans ba or mga critics mostly?
mostly
Because I
fans,
think fans, mostly fans talaga. Grabe,
mostly fans.
medyo yung fan base talaga. It's a unforgiving fan
Yeah.
base.
I remember seeing something that they were like, people were saying na sobrang chamba ng MVP ni Scotty. Parang, at that point, I understood why they had that thought process. Kasi, Scotty was really struggling. Pero, people have to remember na sobrang injured ni Scotty. I mean, not sobrang injured, but his back injury was a big issue. Now he looks pretty healthy and he has the team to back him up now. He doesn't have to worry about providing all the time. So, this is probably why he looks a bit better.
Yeah, true. While for what else for Hinebra? We're done with our flowers, giving it to Hinebra. Congratulations, moving on to the next round. For Meralco, is there anything to change? Ako, for me, nothing to change for Meralco is except just get healthy.
Healthy, exactly.
Healthy to the next season. Go Commissioner's Cup na, so I wonder sino yung kukunin nilang import na no height limit. That's gonna be interesting. Hopefully,
Baka Durham
makabalik
pa
na
rin.
Durham pa rin, sa tingin mo?
Maybe Durham pa rin. Oh, I mean, maybe Ange.
Pwede rin si Ange. Yeah.
Pwede siya.
Anyway,
One of
yeah.
those. It's gonna be really
Malik,
big.
hopefully Maliksi comes back, Almazan comes back, Aaron Black
Yeah.
comes back, and then
Uh,
maybe we
yeah.
can see how it looks like.
If Meralco wants to shop for anything, if they feel they need to shop for anything, I'd say they need to shop for um a
Anong need
wing,
nila?
a defensive wing in the mold of a Rome De La Rosa or a in the mold of a Jamie Malonzo or in the mold of a
So they need a athletic wing na ganun.
an athletic wing, not an athletic, because Rome isn't athletic, but somebody who can really
So,
defend.
so parang Tony Semerad. Kasi Semerad,
Ganun.
parang to,
Tony or Glenn Covington,
dami
somebody
pa
in
eh.
that mold who
Actually, Glenn, but I doubt TNT
I
trades
don't
Glenn
think he's
to
gonna let
Meral.
Glenn go, but I mean
They
like
don't do that.
somebody in that mold, kailangan ng
Dude, the Ken Toffin, no? Pero
Meralco.
I doubt bibigay ng Phoenix si Ken Toffin sa Meralco. Hindi nga.
CJ Cancino has
Oo nga pala,
the
injured din si CJ Cancino. We forgot about that guy. He could have
ayun, so CJ
changed
has the tools
the
to
big guard.
yeah to become that type of player, pero he isn't necessarily known for his defense yet. So you need somebody who in conferences in scenarios like these, you need somebody who's really defense first, can hit basically a 3 and D player. That's the word. Sorry, a
3
three
and
and
D
D
player.
player,
Okay.
literal 3 and D. That's what
Maraming
you
ganun
need.
sa PBA. Marami
Yeah,
namang ganun ngayon.
I wonder who they can pick up. I'm trying to think of in the college ranks also. Pero, I mean,
Wala. Dire-diretso to eh. Because
yeah,
after ng FIBA window, commissioners na eh.
ayan. So who can they pick up? Uh, Jer- Jericho Cruz, kind of small. Because I doubt
SFC is
bibitawan
not
ng
gonna give.
SFP yan.
Di na
Hindi
bibigay
bibitawan
MVP
ng
yan.
SFP yan. Sige, not Jericho. um, Who else could
I'm sure
they
we can that's another episode na
yeah. Yeah.
rebuilding teams, not rebuilding, more of what can we add to this team to make them a championship contender.
Mhm. I agree.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so
cool.
pretty much congratulate once again, guys. Just a quick podcast. Our reaction to the Meralco Hinebra series. We didn't expect this. Coach Tim didn't expect it. Mario didn't expect it. Nobody
Yeah, and
did.
I'm a Hinebra fan.
Hinebra fan si Mario, guys. Hindi yan TNT. Hindi yan
By the
MVP
way,
group.
shout out sa nagsabi na either MVP biased kami and we're also
Hinebra din, may nagsabi rin na
apparently Mags biased din kami.
Ross,
Apparently
natawagan ng Ross bias.
apparently Ross
So bias
biased
kami
din
sa lahat.
kami.
So
So yeah,
PBA
apparently
bias
biased kami
tayo.
sa lahat ng teams. So ayun,
I think we're
hirap
doing a
naman.
good job kung ganun. I
Yeah.
think na
Kung
ano.
ganun guys, di ba hindi kami biased, di ba?
Oo nga.
kung
Hindi nyo ba
kung ganun
naisip
guys,
yun?
baka lang, baka lang. Pero ayun yan, I'm not gonna say anything but
Pero in all honesty, yung mga nagko-comment with good concrete thoughts and
yeah,
stats. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys. Binabasa namin ni Mario yung mga comments. That's why those who really add value to the
yeah.
comments, nire-replyan namin
Like my boy,
ng maigi.
Fran Lu, comments on every video with pretty
We
good.
also have a few women who watch the
Yeah,
PBA.
I have seen also.
Diba? They
I've seen,
support
yeah.
Zay, mga from UP, I'm
Yeah, yeah,
guessing.
yeah.
Oh,
I saw
so
that. Yung sa Mags video, they were like, been watching Zave since UP. Same guys, believe me, I've loved that man since UP pa lang. So yeah, it's really fun watching him grow now.
anyway, ayun. Thanks so much guys for listening. For those on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On Spotify, don't forget to follow and give us a 5-star rating. See you guys on. Let's
Actually,
see
maybe
tomorrow. What happens
malay,
tomorrow? Later,
malay mo,
magre-react
mag-record
ko.
kami mamaya ng SMB Converge.
O si kung
Malay mo.
manalo Converge.
Kung
Kung manalo
manalo
Converge.
Converge, makikita
Kasi
nyo
close
kami
yung game, diba?
mamaya.
Wait lang.
Sige.
Close ba yung game?
Dude.
Ay,
53
11 point. As of the time of this recording.
Yeah.
Let's
As
see.
of the time of this recording, guys, 53-42 ang score. Will be if Converge wins this game, we'll be back later.
We'll be back late. Pero bukas na namin na-upload
Uh,
kasi ma-overload yung YouTube channel ko eh. Alright, see you guys. Thanks, Mario.
Bye-bye.